20 kitchen utensils in English. Teapot. Teapot. A pot used for making and serving tea. Example, she poured hot tea from the teapot. Kettle. Kettle. A container used for boiling water. Example, the kettle is boiling water for tea. Jug. Jug. A container used for holding and pouring liquids. Example, he filled the jug with cold juice. Tray. Tray. A flat board used for carrying cups or plates. Example, she served snacks on a tray. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. A pot that cooks food quickly with steam. Example, the rice is cooking in the pressure cooker. Saucepan. Saucepan. A deep pan used for boiling or cooking food. Example, she boiled soup in the saucepan. Frying pan. Frying pan. A flat pan used for frying food. Example, he fried eggs in the frying pan. Pot. Pot. A deep round container used for cooking. Example, she is boiling pasta in a pot. Oven mitt. Oven mitt. A thick glove used to hold hot pots and pans. Example, she wore oven mitts to take out the cake. Mixer. Mixer. A machine used for mixing ingredients. Example, he mixed the batter with a mixer. Blender. Blender. A machine used to blend or mix liquids. Example, she made a smoothie with the blender. Toaster. Toaster. A small machine used to toast bread. Example, he toasted bread in the toaster. Microwave. Microwave. A machine used to heat food quickly. Example, she warmed her food in the microwave. Measuring spoon. Measuring spoon. A small spoon used to measure small amounts. Example, he added sugar with a measuring spoon. Food processor. Food processor. A machine used for chopping or slicing food. Example, she chopped onions in the food processor. Bowl. Bowl. A round dish used for mixing or serving food. Example, he mixed the salad in a bowl. Cup. Cup. A small container used for drinking. Example, she drank coffee from a cup. Glass. Glass. A container used for drinking water or juice. Example, he filled the glass with milk. Plate. Plate. A flat dish used for serving food. Example, she placed rice on the plate. Apron. Apron. A cloth worn to protect clothes while cooking. Example, she wore an apron while baking. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.